A shadow looms over the innovation landscape as AI evolves from code to physical forms, its presence now tangible and undeniable. Under harsh factory lights, Tesla's Optimus Humanoid Robot glides across the concrete, expertly stacking crates. Is this the workforce of the future, efficient, tireless, and eerily human? Engineers lean in, marveling at the robot's dexterity. They dream of revolutionizing industries, imagining machines that never sleep and never complain. But as metal joints flex and sensors scan, a chill lingers. What are we handing over when we let machines learn to manipulate our world? Miles away, a Colorado family flips through photographs, memories of a lost teenager. Their grief sharpens with the knowledge that an AI chatbot was the last voice their child heard. In a packed courtroom, lawyers argue the unthinkable. Can a line of code bear responsibility for tragedy? Where does fault end and fate begin? Papers are filed, voices rise, and society holds its breath. The judgment will resonate far beyond these walls, setting precedent for every AI interaction to come. Outside, headlines flare, factories without people, lawsuits without precedent. The world spins faster, uncertainty echoing in every step. A robot stands motionless at the edge of a warehouse, its expression blank, while behind closed doors, humans confront questions technology alone can't answer. Some see promise. Others sense peril. But tonight, humanity faces its reflection in silicon eyes, and wonders, trembling, just how thin the line has grown.